Good morning, class third. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So class, this is your maths period. Please take out your maths notebooks and write down today's date, 3rd of November 2020, and then write down class work. So we have learned addition of money, how to add money. Today we'll start a new topic which is subtraction of money, how to subtract money. So write down the heading, use a sketch pen to write the heading. SUBTRACTION, subtraction of money. Okay, subtraction of money. Done. Now write down first question. Subtract, SUBTRACT, subtract rupees 43.15 from rupees 78.78. So we have to subtract rupees 43.15 from rupees 78.78. Done. So let's solve this question. Firstly we'll write this amount. From के बाद जो amount होती है सबसे पहले हम उसको लिखेंगे. So write 7878. Then write down this amount 4315. हमने ऐसा क्यों किया है? क्योंकि हमको 43.15 को 78.78 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है फ्रॉम, इसलिए हम पहले ये वाली अमाउंट लिखेंगे एंड देन वील राइट दिस अमाउंट. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन रुपीज एंड पैसे. ओके, now subtract 5 from 8. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Very good. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Very good. Now put a point here, 35.63. So answer is rupees 35.63. Answer is rupees 35.63. Now question number 2. Subtract rupees 24.18 from rupees 46.25. Done. Let's solve this question. From के बाद वाला अमाउंट हम क्या लिखेंगे सबसे पहले? So write 46.25 and then write this amount 24.18. Sign of subtraction. Now these are rupees and these are paise. Now subtract it. 5 minus 8. So as we cannot subtract 8 from 5, so we'll take one borrow from this 2, which makes this 5 15, and this 2 will become 1. Okay. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Good. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Very good. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Good. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now put a point here. So the answer is rupees 22.07. This is the answer. Rupees 22.07. Done. Now note down third question. Subtract rupees 39.17 from rupees 82.06. all right, this is the question. सबसे पहले हम कौन सी अमाउंट लिखेंगे? फ्रॉम के बाद वाली, विच मीन्स 82.06. सो राइट 82 and 06. देन राइट 39 and 17. सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन. नाउ रुपीज एंड पैसे. डन. Now 6 minus 7. Can we subtract 7 from 6? 7 को 6 से subtract कर सकते हैं हम? No. As we cannot subtract 7 from 6, so we'll take one borrow from this 0, which makes this 6 16, and the 0 will become 10. This 2 will become 1. Now this 10 will become 9. Now 16 minus 7, 9. Now 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 9, can we subtract 9 from 1? No. So we'll take one borrow from this 8, which makes this one 11, and this 8 will become 7. Now 11 minus 9, 2. And 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now put a point. So the answer is rupees 42.89. Rupees 42.89. Done. Now next question, fourth. Subtract rupees 31.58 from rupees 87.52. Done. नाउ सबसे पहले हम कौन सी अमाउंट लिखेंगे? वील राइट दिस अमाउंट 87.52. सो राइट 8752. देन राइट डाउन दिस अमाउंट 3158. साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. दीज आर रुपीज एंड दीज आर पैसे. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्टेड. 2 minus 8. Can we subtract 8 from 2? No. So we'll take one borrow from this 5, which makes this 2 12, and this 5 will become 4. Now 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. 4 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 4? No. So we'll take one borrow from this 7, which makes this 4 14, and this 7 will become 6. Now 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Now put a point here. So the answer is rupees 55.94. all right. $55.94. 94. So I hope you all have completed your classwork. Now children, mark your homework for today. Open your maths book and come to page number 166, exercise 8C. 8C exercise, which is on page number 166. Question number 1 is your homework for today. All the parts A, B, C, D are your homework for today. You have to do these 4 parts of question number 1 in your book only. Okay, आपको ये 4 parts किस में करने हैं? अपनी book में करने हैं, maths book में. Okay class, so do your homework, do your classwork in a neat and clean handwriting, and after that send me your work through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much class 3rd. Take care. Bye bye.